Whether in the production of sugar itself or of sugar confectionery, quality control is paramount. From raw ingredients to the polished product, Anton Paar instruments are there every step of the way. From harvesting, crushing and juice clarification to evaporation, crystallization, centrifugation and drying, every step must be perfectly executed. During the sugar production process, the Betalyzer sugar analyzer optimizes sugar yield from sugar beet processing, enhancing the overall quality of sugar production. The MCP Sucromat modular circular saccharometer, combined with Anton Paar's Abimat refractometer, measures dry substance, or bricks, and apparent purity all in one cycle. A wide range of Anton Paar instruments optimize processes via real-time monitoring. The L-Sonic sound velocity sensor determines bricks during evaporation, the density of thick and thin sugar, the concentration of valuable sugar molasses, and the inline concentration of sodium hydroxide for the adjustment of the alkalinity. In sugar confectionery production, the MCP Sucromat modular circular saccharometer monitors the quality of the raw materials, cane sugar, beet sugar, and high fructose corn syrup. XR Dynamic 500 measures the crystallinity of sugars, which affects the macroscopic properties such as texture or mouthfeel of the food products. The Lightsizer DIF 500 particle size analyzer measures particle size to optimize flowability, dissolution and mixing, as well as powder uniformity. The DMA density meter measures the density of liquid ingredients such as syrup and juice. The MCR Evolution rheometer assesses melt viscosity as well as gelling and melting temperatures and delivers rheological oscillatory measurements in reduced sugar or sugar substitute formulations. The Abimat digital refractometer measures dry matter in syrup as well as the refractive index of essential oils. Let's take a closer look at how Anton Paar's MCP Sucromat sugar polarimeter precisely determines the sugar content across the entire measuring range. It's a reliable partner for the sugar industry and is therefore appreciated by users in reception labs, payment analysis, quality control, and official institutions around the world. No matter if the instrument is used for the analysis of sugar content in the reception lab or for the quality control of raw, intermediate and final products in the central quality lab, it delivers highly accurate results after seconds in full compliance with ICUMSA and other national and international standards. For the analysis of samples with high light absorbency, for example lead-free clarified samples, raw sugar and other sugar products, the instrument can optionally be equipped with the second official ICUMSA wavelength of 880 nanometers. So, the MCP Sucromat series is well equipped for beet and cane sugar analysis in the reception laboratory as well as in the quality control laboratory with 100% ICUMSA compliance. Contact us now for more information on how we can support your efforts to achieve sugar and sugar confectionery perfection.